Mini vlog.
Lararo kami ng Brookhaven ng pinsan ko. Yan.
Ignore my voice.
Lalaro kami ng Brookhaven. Alam niyo guys, may panglalaki dito akong
Hihi.
na avatar ko. Sa Brookhaven ka. Hip ko lang guys.
Wala. Naglalag ako.
Nabag-dood na yung ano ko lang yung so ano yung avatar ko guys.
Wait lang.
Yep. Buting ko la dito meron.
Sino mga ayun ako? Ayun, nandun.
Well. Ay, ito ka.
Wait lang, magpapangalan ako.
Where are you?
Wait lang nga ni. Who's that name? Yeah.
Please don't copy my name.
Kasi huwag niyo i-copy yung name ko ha. Please lang po. Ito po yung sa pinsan ko, huwag niyo pong i-copy.
Ano po? Si Basic ko.
Huwag niyo pong magayahin, ito po yung misukit yung pangalan. Yan. Po, wala lang.
Ikaw ngayon gumaya eh.
So, maya lang ako sa ano ko kasi tindak niya yung pangalan pero pinuha ko na. Tara dito, mag-ano tayo, mag-house. Dito sa ano, dito sa 10. Hello, dito sa 10 ha. Ito na lang ibig ko.
Uy, ano mo ako?
Ito kay. May playground sa likod.
Yeah, I know.
Ay, wait lang. Tapos, wait, di pa kita narunong.
Hindi, okay na yan. Magre-record ba ako? Magre-record ako?
Tutur kita sa room mo. Ito yung room mo, teka.
Wait, magre-record lang ako. Para pag may nakakata ako, mga talentado, nakalikod.
Ayan guys, nagre-record din daw yung pinsan ko. Ano to?
Wala, hindi pa ako nakaka-record. Ano ba yun? May number pa.
Ayan guys.
May record na ba ako? Oo, nag-record na. Tara na. Saan ano? Dito?
Yung kang main. Yan yung home. Yan yung ano mo, kwarto. O gusto mo sa baba o gusto mo sa taas. Kahit saan. Pwede tayo mag-make ng story.
Yung story.
Ano, anak-anakan.
Ayoko lang.
Ano lang, kunyari, friends tayo. Ako daw yung kapatid mo. Big sister. Mag-mimid kami ng story, guys. Kunyari.
Stacy is still recording. It's very confused. Where is she? Get kidnapped by a finger.
Ano ba yun?
Who's wearing a
Kayo nga muna ng tubig.
she's all kidnapped here.
Ito Uy, kapatid, nandito ka pala. Nasaan na yung mama natin?
I don't know. She exploring the house. This is a, it's pretty nice here.
Walang cold water. Ano lang?
Summer kidnap me. Oh my god.
Makawat nga ng TV. Bandalin mo nga yung TV, kapatid.
How I need.
Hindi ko abot.
I know exactly where to build it. This place is perfect. No one will find me here. I found all these piles of blankets around this room. And most importantly, I'm right around the corner to the sticky rolls aisle. Hours and hours and hours passed by. I slept a little. I was snacking, but then I heard something.
Ay, naantok na ako.
I was too late and they sold out again. So now I'm challenging all of you to find serious.
Ignore my voice.
Here's what everyone wants in a tiny different thing. Here's what everyone because we have different parents.
Baby, exploring the world. Ay! Nakatulog pala ako. Mukha kay kapatid ko, nakatulog ba ako?
It's a prank.
Hoy! Ang ginagawa mo dyan? Alam mo nakalaki yung pinto.
My bad.
So guys, di mo na kami magmimix ng story. Agad na muna ako, guys.
Baby, exploring the world. Para Daisy gets into the cleaning. What is this mean?
Ano to? Sparky Street.
And why am I looking at
Taco party po.
Still this probably.
Gusto ko sana ng taco party kasi 4 pesos lang yung taco party.
This or that. You gotta make a choice though. You can't have both. This or
Look at that girl.
Oh my gosh.
This tall. I mean, that's so
This dad just found out his
buildings
daughter's bedroom
are
is locked, but what
making me
happens
draw.
next will shock you.
Hey.
Why are they even exposed in the place?
Tara guys.
I found a secret place
Oh, hello, baby.
on Brookhaven.
May na-find ako na secret place.
Wala secret place. Saan yun? Meron na dyan? Wait a damn minute. Just stay there. I'm gonna find you.
You're not gonna find me.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
I know where you are. Because I can see you.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I can.
I can ban my family.
So, I don't care you ban me. I know what's the secret now. And I know where you are.
She tried making us
Scare me.
Oh, what is this?
This place is scary. There's a new update here, and this place, there's
Ano yung
a-
secret? On Brookhaven.
Can I join? So guys, may na-find kaming secret place on Brookhaven. Tour natin guys. Itutur ko lang sa'yo. Nandito mga ano. May monkey. May dal dito guys. Tapos,
Oh, hello.
may clothes. Tapos,
Wait,
ano
this is
to?
Betty. I found Betty, lost sister.
Where?
Yes, look.
Hey.
Look, I'm holding it.
Ayoko.
I'm holding
Yan ko kung ano na yun. Punta lang ako sa Shelo.
It's a fucking...
Ay, oo nga, no.
Yeah.
So,
You
yan
always
guys.
say ugly, so that's right.
Pag may nakita kayo, dito lang siya guys, oh. Pag may nakita kayo dito, tapos, ganito lang,
We'll
kailangan
close
nyo
and join
pumunta
you.
dito.
My little
And-
cookie just joined me.
Dito na guys.
Ito yun. My
Dito
dream.
na
There's a
tayo
secret.
guys. Sa secret room na
Oh, this
to.
is a new update.
Di ko alam kung nyo ba to guys. Kung alam nyo na to, comment
No,
kayo.
this is not... this is not... I don't know. Oh, it's new.
family niya ako, family.
I'm the one who gonna family.
Family na
My
ko tayo.
sister join us.
Wait lang.
Wait a damn minute.
So yan guys, duman yung kapatid ko.
Just 5 of us, eh?
Yeah.
What the fuck is this? Oh, it's Aya. Hello there.
Uy, may parang mga new ano dito updates, oh.
Mag-shell ka kaya?
May new ano dito, eh. Wait lang.
Mag-malit ka.
Nagbago na yung Brookhaven,
Wow.
guys. Medyo maganda na siya, guys. Wow, guys.
Yeah, it's beautiful, but...
So, yan. Dito na magtatapos ang video namin. Goodbye!
Bye. Thanks for watching.